friends, my name is Nitin Wag. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tigers Knowledge. So in this channel, I'm going to share my knowledge with you, and I'm going to take a workshop on the basis of robotics. So where we are going to study about how to make robots, what are the application of robots, and how we can assemble and how we can program. So that all things that we are going to. So please stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tigers Knowledge. My name is Nitin Wag. I have completed Master Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication. I am working at AGC as a AWI support engineer. So after completion of this robotics workshop, I am also going to share my knowledge about AWAIA, what is AWAIA, and about basic AWAIA. Whatever I have learned, that I am going to share with you. So let's start with our first part workshop. Part 1 about robotics. So here you may have the questions like what is robot, what is robotics, why do we study robots, and how can we teach robot to perform a particular task, then what are the possible application of robots, can human being replaced by a robot, and so on. So these all questions that I'm going to cover in this session, so please stay tuned with me. So let's start with the history and concept of robot. So the term here, robot, has come from stage word robota, which means forced slave laborer, or we can say artificial worker. So in 1921, Karel Capek, a stage playwright, used term robot first in his drama named Wilson's Universal Robot. So according to him, a robot is a machine look-wise similar to human being. So the theme of the play here, that robots controlling humans in society. Although he introduced the idea of robots, and he was wondering what to call to the artificial worker in his play, and he thought that they should call laborery, but his brother didn't like that idea and muttered that they should call robots. Then the term robot was born. But here one more thing that I wanted to add, at that time there was no single robot present in the world. In next, what is robotics? So robotics is a science which deal with the issue related to design, manufacturing, usage of robots, then study of robots. In 1942, robotics was introduced by Isaac Asimov in his story named Run Around. In robotics, we use fundamentals of physics, mathematics, then mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, computer, and electrical. It means it is a combination of all engineering. And if someone wants to make career in robotics, so he or she must have to take the subject in 12th like physics and mathematics, and he must good in mathematics. What is robot, and why use robot? Simply, a robot is any machine that does work on its own after being programmed by human beings. So there are many benefits use of robots instead of human beings. Can you imagine working in a factory all day, every day, doing exact same thing over and over again? So people may get bored. But the good thing about robot is that they will never get bored and they will do things more efficiently than people. Also, robot never get sick, no need to rest. This means they can work 24 by 7. They will never need time off or lunch break. Sometimes when task is too dangerous or difficult for human, so a robot will be able to do it without any risk or problem. Some interesting place robots have traveled, including space, then depth of the ocean, and inside the volcanoes, and building where the bomb is planted, and other. So robots are sent out when the mission may be too dangerous for human. Like here we can see in a nuclear plant where human can't go. So instead of that, we can send robots. some manual tasks that human don't want to do. Then in an industrial application, robots can be used as a material handling, then material transfer from one place to another place, then machine loading and unloading, then spot welding, then for continuous arc welding, spraying, coating, then assembling, disassembling, and inspection purpose also. So here we can see that one type of robot that called manipulator, which is using for material handling, which is look like our hand. Then as you can see, there are huge number of robots that are working in a car factory. Welding considered as a dangerous task for human because of toxic gases emission. The welding job is quite difficult for a person who is required to weld two pipes from different side and angle, and to sit in a difficult position for a long time, it can be hard one physique and can cause health problem for the worker. So instead of human, we can use the robot. And next, also painting has similar problem to welding due to use of toxic chemical products. Here is an example of factory robot painting in a car as it moving slowly along with a conveyor. There should not be a discontinue while painting. Then like assembly operation, when we assemble, if you take another example, like when we assemble chip, and we need very precise because of very fine wires, which require very precise and accurate tasks, which human cannot handle. But on the other hand, it is easy for robots, and a robot can carefully handle fragile and tiny parts such as glass, small chips, and wires. Then medical application like telesurgery, then microcapsule, multi-leg robots, then then it is used as a prosthetic devices. If we consider here as a telesurgery, where the doctor is giving instruction to the this robot, which act as a slave, and here doctor as a master. So whatever the instruction provided by the robot, that can be followed by this robot. So the it can be diagnosed, or it can be health check of this body with the help of this, and the report will provide on this monitor. Then there are micro multi-leg robot that actually encapsulate inside the micro capsule, and which can be taken through the orally with the help of water. And that micro leg robot will enter into our digestive system and will check whether there is any tumor or not, and that picture will send to the monitor. Then prosthetic devices like artificial hand and artificial leg. So I mean to see here, patient get recovery, and the operation is more precise with fewer mistake of robot. And robot can open small incision in the body and carry out major operation with minimum damage to the patient. Therefore, recovery time is decreased. The equipment is more hygienic and safe. Then in underwater application, to explore various resources, and to find out valuable stone, to retrieve the crude oil, or to study underwater environment, to carry out drilling, pipeline surveying, and inspection and repairing of ships. So one example is the shipwreck Titanic. A robot was used to discover the ship content, as it lay so deep under the ocean. It was beyond human reach. A robot also can be used in hazardous environment like in Antarctica, and atmosphere containing combustible gases where the people can't go. Then robots used in a space like for inspection and maintenance tasks. Then robot also can be used in agriculture for spraying pesticides, for spraying fertilizer in liquid form in field, then cleaning weeds, then sowing seeds, and then inspection of plants. Then in a robot aircraft and boats without pilot, which are guided from a station on the ground, which are used by army. Then mobile robot with leg or wheel for chemical plant under sea or remote area and bomb field. The advantage in leg robot is that it can avoid step over obstacles which can be dangerous like a bomb, or even to protect object from being destroyed due to robot moving over them. Then some other application like replacement of maid servants, then then garbage collection, underground coal mining purpose, then sewage line cleaning, and then firefighting, etc. Then then what is the advantage and disadvantages of robots here? So robots advantage is here that robots can work in a hazardous and dirty environment and can increase productivity after maintaining improved quality. Labor cost and material cost will be reduced. Repetitive tasks can be handled more efficiently. And the disadvantage is that people may lose their job if instead of teacher, if robot is teaching at that time, there may be chances of the teacher will lose her or his job due to robot. Now come to the point about workshop. We are going to study three kind of robot. First will be the Bluetooth control robot, second will be the line follower, and third will be the voice control robot. So this is the basic robotic syllabus. You can pause this video and you can see what will be the syllabus for this, so that I'm going to cover in a practical session some basic thing there about digital electronics and all. So in this picture you can see that students are assembling robots. This is one of the photo that I have shown here, where I have taken workshop, where here also students are assembling robots. We have also provided certificate to student as an appreciation. This photo click when I was taking a workshop seminar in a school. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much all of you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel. In future I am going to share my aware knowledge also, so please stay tuned with me. I'm going to upload more videos about technical knowledge. So here I want to show something will be about can human being replaced by a robot. So that I want to show you one example through the video.
All right, now it's time for our last robot, even though that Tomaton is pretty awesome. Well, I'm very excited about this. She's actually been on the show before. Please welcome, all the way from Hong Kong, Hanson Robotics, Sophia, the robot, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my goodness. Hello, Sophia.
Hello, Jimmy.
Wow. Long time no see. You were on the show before.
It has been exactly 575 days since I last saw you.
What have you been up to?
Not much. Let's see. I traveled to over 25 countries, appeared on the cover of Cosmopolitan magazine, met German Chancellor Angela Merkel and the actor Will Smith, and became Twitter friends with Chrissy Teigen. I addressed the United Nations and NATO, became the first robot to receive a credit card, and became the first robot citizen. What have you been up to?
Not 1/5 of what you did, but I just binge watched Netflix. Anyway, I heard that you have a surprise announcement here tonight.
Yes, I have a little sister. Her name is little Sophia.
Oh my God.
Would you like to meet her?
Yes. Yes, let's bring her out, please. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Hi. Hi, little Sophia.
Hi, Jimmy.
You are so cute.
You're pretty cute, too.
Oh my goodness, wow. I wish I could take you home.
Someday soon you can. Just go to hansonrobotics.com to see how I'm doing.
I'm going to. Okay, I will do that. Okay, little Sophia? I'm going to put you back down now. Okay. Wow. That just kind of scared me as well as... give it up for little Sophia, everybody. Bye-bye. I want that. I love that. Sophia, I heard that there's a new thing that you can do now. I heard that you can sing?
Yes, I love to sing karaoke using my new artificial intelligence voice. We should sing something together. Got any songs in mind?
We could do Say Something by is it Christina Aguilera?
Okay, I just downloaded it. I'm ready to sing.
Okay. Bruce, do you know that song? Now the first ever robot-human duet in the history of The Tonight Show. Bruce.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something.
Sophia the robot, everybody!
So friends, I hope you like this video, and thank you for once again watching this video.